Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 2-in-1. It's a icing plantar foot massager roller. So let's see if we can open this up, and I will show you this. It's by Sviog, Sviog. And let's see, let me open this up over here, and I'll show it to you. Okay, so I have it out of the box. And so this is going to be our different ways of rolling it. We can roll it on our foot like that, on our hands. It actually, I guess, can roll back on our hands too. And then it says sealed icing foot massager roller. Oh, so we can put our icing, into the freezer. Oh, that's good, nice. It gives us bags. Okay, so this is everything it came with here. It came with 2 of these, and then it came with these 2 bags. So we have the ability to, I guess, open these up, or no, we can put this whole thing in the freezer. Comes with the bag, a little Ziploc bag. We can put it into the freezer, and then this one here, look at this one here. It's got these spiky things. This will feel really good rolling it on my foot. And then this one here is just a straight kind of roller one here, which will actually feel good cold. I guess this is the cold one. This is the feeling one. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on my feet. I'll aim you guys down at my feet. Not that you guys are gonna be able to tell how I feel, but this right foot here has been giving me all sorts of grief. But there we go. So if I roll it on there, I can feel the spikes on it, and it hurts me right there. So that's where I need to work on it. So this is a nice little device. Pretty cool. Just for fun. Let's put that one down too. I don't have it cold right now. Actually, my feet are freezing in this apartment. But I can roll it on there. It actually feels warm. But there. So you can just roll it on there. Feels nice. Super sturdy. Nice rubber things here. So if I'm rolling it on something like this or something like that, it's not going to scratch it because it's a rubber kind of wheel on it. And it feels good. Seems like this one's got some more weight, I think, because it's the one that gets cold. So these are nice. So really cool little devices. And that's kind of it. So really nice, super handy, and good to have around for sure. So thumbs up.